In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters in Tableau and organize them on your dashboard using a container. Let's dive in together and make this process straightforward and effective. To begin, fire up your Tableau public app and navigate directly to your worksheet. This is where we'll start creating a simple visualization. Now for the foundation of our visualization, you want to drag a few essential fields: index, order date, region, category, and subcategory. You'll place each of these in the rows section, setting up a solid groundwork for your visual analysis. Once that's in place, go ahead and drag the sales field to text. This action reveals the data values directly within the visualization, offering quick insights into the sales figures. With your basic visualization crafted, it's time to incorporate some filters. Start by dragging the region field into the filters card. During this process, you'll want to select all available regions to ensure the filter is comprehensive. After confirming this action by clicking OK, move on to the category field. Again, drag it into the filters and simply click OK. This will add a new layer of filtering capability to your worksheet, helping you slice the data in more targeted ways. Now make sure these filters are visible, as having them actively displayed empowers users to interact directly with the data. With your filters in place, let's switch our attention to the final step, integrating them into the dashboard through containers. Head over to your dashboard view. Here, you'll select a container where you can conveniently drag your sheet into. This step is crucial as it houses your visualization within the dashboard layout. Next, click on the filters and access the drop-down menu to choose the filter type that suits your analysis needs the best. This customization will enhance how users interact with the data. After you're done with filter type selection, drag a horizontal container onto the canvas. This is where things start coming together. You'll then drag the filters you set up earlier into this container. This method keeps everything neat and optimally functional, enabling users to filter data seamlessly. Positioning is key, so feel free to reposition the container to the top if it aligns better with your layout vision. Enhance user experience further by clicking on the container and selecting the option to distribute content evenly. This adjustment balances the elements within your container, providing a polished and professional look to your dashboard. Lastly, feel free to make additional adjustments and customizations to your filters. Tweak them as necessary to fit the specific needs of your analysis. That wraps up this session on enhancing your Tableau experience with filters and containers. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.